little googly eyes. Oh, hey there, boys and girls. I was just getting ready for our arts and crafts activity today. I hope you watched my picture video because it was inspired by our activity. So first we need to make sure we have everything we need so that we can make it. First, we have our cute little doggy cylinder made out of construction paper. We have our googly eyes, our cute doggy ears, our cute paws, a collar, and our little piece of string. Lastly, we have our glue gun. Remember, boys and girls, that when you're using this glue gun, you have to make sure you're with a mom or a dad because it can get hot really quick. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is my cute little construction doggy. Then we're gonna glue 2 eyes on his face. So I'm gonna move it down here. I'm gonna grab my glue gun and I'm gonna add 2 little eyes to his face. Good thing I have this cute little baggie because I'm gonna grab 2 small eyes. Let's glue them here. 1 and 2. Cute little doggy. Now I feel like it's missing something. His ears. How many ears does a dog have? 2. That's right. So I'm gonna put it here on the bottom. I'm gonna grab my glue gun again. I'm gonna glue his one ear over here. And then I'm gonna glue his other ear right over here. There you go. Oh my gosh, he's looking so cute. Now I feel like he needs something else. His cute little paws. We need 4 of them. Can you count with me?
Yes.
Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We need to glue this right in front of our little doggy. So let me get my glue gun again. I'm gonna add 4 little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because he has 4 little paws. So let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4. He looks so adorable. I think he needs a collar. Do you think we should add one?
Yes.
Yes? Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put my little doggy down. And I have here a cute little collar that I made with the letter C. My dog's name is Chaka, so I wrote the letter C on it. So we're pretty much gonna put it around his cute little body so that our doggy has a collar. I mean, every dog should have a little collar. He looks so cute. Now the last thing we're gonna add is our piece of string so we can hang it somewhere. Now I'm gonna grab my glue gun. I'm gonna put it here at the very end where his back head is. I'm gonna slowly add my little piece of string on here. Be careful, boys and girls, because you can burn yourself. Then, make sure it dries, and there you go, our cute little doggy. Now, it looks like we're done, but don't forget, boys and girls, that we have a lot of educational videos for you to see. So I'll see you on the next one.